Huh? The glue again? Your hand is glued to my hand. Oh, this hand's glued to my hand too. What are we going to do? How are we going to get your hand unglued? How are you going to eat? What are you going to do? How are you going to clap your hands? Try to scratch your head. Oh, that's pretty good. You lowered your head. Smart. I didn't glue your fingers. No, we're going to glue your fingers now. Now your fingers are glued. Scratch your head. So what's the magic word?
Abracadabra.
Ah!
Abracadabra.
Ah!
My hands are sticky.
Sticky now? Let's see how sticky they are.
It is like this.
Oh, you got to.
There's
Whose hands are bigger, mine or yours?
yours.
Oh, why?
Because you... Daddy, can
How about
I
Daddy's
play with
hands?
your